How to unmute notes on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can unmute notes on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to unmute notes on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch Instagram. Let's say you happen to mute someone's note over here, right? So you went to their profile page, then when you went to the view profile section, you tapped on following, then you tapped on mute, and then you happen to mute their notes. So how do you unmute them? Well, you have to do the same thing. You have to just come to their profile page, because there is no other ways and other settings to do this. You have to come to their profile page, remember the person's note that you muted, then tap on the following tab, then you can see mute, then you can uncheck the notes tab, and that note will get successfully unmuted right over here. So this is the way to unmute the notes that you muted on Instagram. Maybe hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.